Hello everyone, in this video we will create a simple press tool based assembly in SolidWorks. So let us start. Go to the file, new, click on a part, OK. So we'll first design the top plate. So sketch on the top plane, select the center rectangle, draw a rectangle by 250 by 150, so it should be a 250. Okay, now we'll draw some circle over here. Okay, smart dimension them, this to be 25 mm, this to be 25 mm, this to be 12 mm. Give the distances from the edges, this to be 30 mm, this to be 30 mm, this distance to be 30 mm, this distance again 30 mm. We will give the distance of this and this, the distance to be 125, and from here the distance will be 75. Okay, now we will draw a center line over here simply, and we will select these two circles and we will select the mirror entities and mirror about this center line. Okay, so we'll exit the sketch and we'll go to the feature, extrude it by 30 mm. So this is our top plate which is ready. So control save this. So we'll make one folder over here, create new folder. We will name it as a press tool. Open this folder and save this part as a top plate. Okay, so after saving this, close this. We'll go to the next part, that is the bottom plate. So again we'll select the top plane, we'll sketch on it, draw again same. Okay, give the smart dimension, this to be 150, this to be 250. Okay, we'll draw some circle over here, right? So first circle, second circle, then we'll draw third circle over here. Okay, now smart dimension them to be 25 mm, this to be 25 mm, this to be 50 mm. Okay, now we'll define its dimension from the edges. So this will be a 30, this will be a 30, this will be 30, again this will also be a 30. So we have defined this. Now we'll define this circle also. So its dimension from this to this will be 125, and from here, escape this, select smart dimension, from here to here the dimension will be 50 mm, 50. Okay, now again we'll draw some circle over here. So draw some circles. Okay, we'll give some dimension to this circle. So this circle will be of 5, 10 mm. This will be again 10 mm. We'll define their distances from the edges. So its distance will be 15. Distance between these two will be 17. Then this distance is remaining. This distance will be 55. Okay. Now this need to be horizontal. Okay. Now here the sketch is fully defined. Right, we will again draw one center line. And select these two small circles. And we'll go to mirror entities and mirror about this center line. Okay. So we'll go to the feature extruded boss base. We'll extrude it by 30 mm. Okay. Right. Now we will save this part as a bottom plate. Enter. Now here we will give the fillet to the edges. Select this edge, this edge, this edge and this edge. We will give a fillet of 10 mm. Okay. So here we have given a fillet of 10 mm. So control save this and close this. We'll again open here the top plate. And we'll give fillet to these edges for the top plate which were remaining. Again 10 mm. Okay. So control save this and close this. We'll go on designing the next part of press tool base assembly. So the next part will be, again select the top plane, guide bush. So here we'll draw two circles, concentric circles. So here outside diameter will be 40 and the inside will be 25. Okay, go to feature extruded boss base. Now we'll extrude it through a mid plane and we'll extrude it by a 60 mm. Say OK. Now we'll chamfer at the outer edges. So go to fillet, chamfer, select these edges and keep this distance 2 mm. Say OK. Now close this, control save this, save it as a guide bush. So close from here, we'll go to the next part. Okay. Again here we will design the guide pillar. So last part is the guide pillar. We'll draw a circle of 25 mm. Okay. Go to the feature extruded boss base. We'll extrude it again mid plane. We'll extrude it by 200 mm. So this is a guide pillar. Okay. Again we'll give the chamfer of 2 mm over here. Say OK. Now control save this part as a guide pillar. So all parts are designed. We'll move to the assembly. So file, new, assembly. Okay. Now we will browse the parts that we have designed. So all these parts select, open. So open one by one all these parts. Okay, so this is our bottom plate which is fixed. Okay, so here in bottom plate we will edit the bottom plate again. So here go to the bottom plate, select this and open part. Here one thing is remaining, so edit the sketch, make it normal 2. We will select these two circle and mirror entities, mirror about. So here, we'll first draw a center line. So draw a vertical center line, then select these two circle and mirror entities, mirror about this. Okay, so simply exit, it will update automatically. Yes, and say yes to this again. So you can see the bottom plate is updated over here. So here we will be needing 4 guide bush. So simply control, select this, control, select face and drag. So we'll get the 4 copy. Again we'll need the 4 copy. Actually 2 copy are okay. So we'll just delete this 2. 1, yes, yes. So now we'll move on to the mate. So simply select the mate, select this face, concentric mate, select this face, coincident mate. Okay, we'll select again this inside face and this face, concentric mate, select this face and bottom face, coincident mate. Okay, select this face and this inside face, concentric mate. Okay, select the bottom face and bottom face of this. Okay, again we will do okay. So here we will be requiring the 2 guide pillars. So control. Now we will select the mate again, select the inside faces and this concentric mate again, and select this face and the bottom face, again the coincident mate. Okay, now over here what we'll do, we'll just select this face and this face, concentric mate. Okay, now delete the last mate. Yes, select the mate, select this face and this face. Okay, select this face and this face. Okay, select this face and this face. Now here we will keep the distance of 5 mm. Okay, trip. Okay, flip the dimension. So simply click on the flip dimension, so the distance will be 5 mm. Okay, okay. Now here what we will do, we'll simply pattern these two. So simply select all these components and go to the assembly. You can see a linear component over here. So select the edge. So this will be the edge, and select 2 number and reverse the direction simply and say OK. So in this way our press tool base assembly is ready. We will give the appearances to this. So go to appearances and in this select the metal, steel. First select the steel. So first is the polished steel. So just drag this over this, say to the enter body. Again go to this, select the polished steel, drag over the top plate. OK. Again go to the appearances. Now select the brush steel, drag over this body. Again select brush steel, drag over the pillar body. OK. So in this way our press tool base assembly is ready. You can see a press tool base assembly over here. Okay, so this is our press tool base assembly. Hope you like this video. Thank you for watching.